Okay, guys, I'm gonna destroy his car.
How do I start it? What's up, YouTube?
Hey!
I have here my wife. She has the keys to my car. I think you know what that means, guys.
Car. I'm
gonna be teaching her how to drive stick. So this should be interesting. It's not the first time, but this will be the first time she actually gets like a full-on drive.
And I'm super short, so
yeah,
I had
she's
to,
super short, so we had to like jerry rig the seat so that she can fit.
There's a random guy in this abandoned parking lot.
But yeah. So all right. So go ahead, turn on the car.
Okay, so you turn it on with the clutch already down.
Yeah, you gotta push the clutch in.
And then turn it on?
It doesn't matter as long as when you turn the key, you make sure the clutch is pushed
all the way in.
Oh
God. Okay.
Let go of the clutch.
Slowly, right? But then I have to. Oh, why does the truck decide to move when I'm about to move? How do I stop? Like, what do I do?
You're not doing nothing.
Oh, okay.
Just let the truck do whatever.
So I take the emergency brake out, right?
Wait, you're not ready to move. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Go in first. Now let the e-brake out. Yeah. Okay, now slowly let the clutch out and hit gas just a little bit. Hit a little bit of gas. Not that much. Let the clutch out a little bit more because the clutch it bites at the top. So let the clutch out more and more. Gas. Okay, now you're moving. All right.
Oh my God.
You're moving. You can let your foot off the clutch. Like once you're moving, you can let your foot off the clutch. Like let your foot off the clutch.
It's off.
There you go. Now you just ride like a normal person. Okay. Don't even worry about the clutch right now.
Okay.
Driving like a normal person.
It's easy. It's simple.
It's simple.
My only thing is like, how do I know how fast?
Alright. So now just turn to the left. Yeah. And now let's pretend you're coming up to a red light. Right? See the red light in the distance?
Yeah.
What do you do normally in your regular car?
Brake? Yeah.
So brake.
So
and now brake and hit clutch.
Brake first?
Brake first and then hit clutch. Clutch. There you go.
Oh, good. Okay.
So alright, so the light turned green, what do you do?
Put it in first. But clutch.
You gotta always clutch in before.
So clutch, put it in first.
And now, yeah. Clutch, slow gas. Oh, the clutch up. So let's try this again. Yeah, keep going. Let your foot off the clutch. Keep going. Okay, guys.
Okay. I didn't stall. We're making progress.
I hope I don't smell burnt clutch anytime soon.
Oh my God.
A little bit more. When you feel the car starts to
We're high now.
brake, yep, and clutch, because you're gonna. Yeah, now brake. Now go take it in neutral.
So
Put it in neutral. All right, you got a red light. Boom, turn green. Now what do you do? Oh, whoa.
Clutch first.
Beep. The cars are behind you. It's the green light.
Okay, wait. I take the.
You gotta get it gas to get it going. Go ahead, get your foot off the clutch. Whoa.
Oh my God, I can't. Why?
No, you let the clutch out way too fast. You let the clutch out way too fast there.
Okay.
You let the clutch out way too fast there. When you feel a little bit faster. Gas. No, what? Oh my God.
So he's gonna have to teach me how to do this because this is. So this is the empty lot. Okay, so let's try this.
Alright, I'm at a red light. Boom, it turned green. Go first. You can give it gas and then. So if going too slow is kind of throwing you off, so you can either clutch in, give it in first, tap the gas a couple times, and let the clutch out a little bit faster. Let the clutch out just a little bit faster.
All right.
Wow!
I did it!
We almost did a burnout, but okay.
Okay.
Somebody like that VTEC turbo.
Braking.
Clutch in. Cause you don't. This is the thing when you
Oh,
break
did
it.
I stall?
Yeah, when you break it. First, light turn green. All right. Remember this. The more gas you give it. Light turn green. What we doing? What we doing? Light turn green. Oh, hey, light turn green.
Light turn green.
Yeah, we in New York. We're in New York.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, we in New York. Yeah, we gotta go.
Off the brake.
Gas. Okay. Wow.
Let's start a car. You trying to race?
Oh, somebody trying to race you, baby?
You trying to race?
Somebody trying to race you?
He trying to race.
Tell him square. Tell him 40 roll.
What's up?
Tell him 40 roll.
You don't want to mess with me. I stall. You don't even know when to expect it. You don't even know when to expect my stall. What's up?
Yeah, let's go.
I'm going. It turned green, boy. It turned green. All right, it's green.
All right, green. What we doing? What we doing?
All right,
What we doing?
we are going away. What was that?
Shake it. When you do that, and you can play with it like that. Shake it a million times. Make sure it's in neutral, because you don't want
It not to be a neutral.
Yeah, and then you take your foot off the clutch and boom. So we're back, and we have finished part 1 of driving. So what do you rate it, or what do you think so far?
So I suck, but the whole experience was good. I think my biggest issue is just like as far as the clutch, I let it go too quickly, so I almost like burnt the clutch.
What do you think is like? What do you think is so tricky? Is it?
Like I feel like it's tricky not knowing when to like let go completely.
Right.
So it's like I'm pressing gas, but then I forget about it. So I'm like,
yeah, I know you're like concentrating on the clutch, and then you forget to put gas. Yeah, I mean, honestly, for when I first got my manual car, my first manual car, she honestly did way better than I did on my first day. I was just stalling so bad. She actually got it moving within like the first, second, third try, and I was just stall after stall after stall after stall. It was crazy.
I think just knowing like that you have to keep it on, like your foot on the clutch, and then like put gas, but then keep, I don't know how to explain it, like keep putting the foot on the clutch and then going, and then once it's going, I guess that's just
I know, it's just tricky trying to balance
Yeah.
enough gas with the amount of clutch to let out,
Yeah.
because you're so used to just smashing the gas on the automatic. It's different, but yeah. Part 2 is gonna be a little bit of the same, and then we're
Going
gonna
in
finally
the
start.
streets.
We're gonna actually go through the gears, because she was just in first gear.
I know
trying
how to
get
go through the gears.
stop and go,
Like,
so.
I know it's.
We'll see how that
Like
goes. Stay
I
tuned,
got
guys.
it. I didn't even say bye. Okay, bye guys.
She wanted to say bye.
Okay.